Let us continue chapter number 6 of computer, and next topic is editing object, and this is part 5 now. And how to select the object. Click on the selection tool and click and drag the selection box around the object and release the mouse button. Now click and drag the selection button box around the object and release the mouse button. Or you can say double click on the object to select both stroke and fill. You can double click the object to select both stroke and fill. The object will be selected. Now transforming shape. How do you transform the shape? Using a free transform tool, you can scale, rotate, compress, scratch or screw line or shape. To compress the drawing, click follow these steps. Now using the free hand transform tool, we can scale, rotate, compress, scratch or screw lines and shape. How to use this? Draw a hexagon using the poly star tool. Select the free transform tool in the tools panel. Select the free transform tool in the tool panel. Double click on the hexagon on the side stage to select both stroke and fill. Double click on the hexagon on the stage to select both stroke and fill. Drag center handle of the free transform tool with down to transform the hexagon into the following stop. You can say this is polygon. You can change it using a free transform tool and skewing a polygon. So using this free transform tool, you will be able to change the size of your shape. Now rotating the object, you can easily rotate the object. Image also you can rotate, which is there in your phone. Now how to use it in your this system in the flash? Rotating object, select at first you have to select the object, select the modify transform rotate screw. Just select this option, modify transform is rotate and screw. Click on the corner handle of the object and pointer change to rotation handle. Select on this corner handle of the object and the pointer will change to rotation handle. Drag the corner handle to rotate the object. Drag the corner handle to rotate the object. To end the transformation, click outside the selected object. To end the transformation, click outside the selected object. An outline of the object appear as you rotate. An outline of the object will appear as you rotate. Release the mouse button and observe the rotated object. Now, this sort of option will come. Next is flipping the object. Draw a face using a pencil tool and fill color in it using the paint bucket tool. What you can use is draw the fish or any other object using the pencil tool and fill color in it using paint bucket tool. Select the selection tool and double click on the object to select it. Choose the selection tool and double click on the object to select it. Select the modify transform option. Just select this option, modify transform. Then choose either flip vertical or flip horizontal and observe the change in the object. Select the flip vertical or flip horizontal and observe the changes. Now copy an object. Select the object that you want to copy by using the selection tool. Select the edit copy option. Click on the blank area on the stage. Select the paste. This is just like you just do copy and paste in your MS Word. Control plus C and Control plus V. Edit copy or paste in center. So you can see you have pasted copy from here. You have pasted here. So now single flower change into double flower. Moving an object, you want to change the location of the object. You can change it. Same option. Select the object that you want by using a selection tool. Select the object to whom you want to make move from using the selection tool. Plus sign will appear next to the object. Plus sign will appear and click and drag to the new position. Just drag to the new position, or you can see release the mouse button. You will see the object has moved to the new. Previous location of this flower was this, and now new location is this. Importing graphics. Select fill or import to stage option. The import dialog box will appear. As you will do this, the import dialog box will appear. Browse and select the file which you want to import and click on open. Just select browse the file. This sort of screen will come. Browse the file which you want to do. The picture will be placed on the stage and that picture will be placed on the stage. In this way you will be able to import the object from one location to the another location. Now animation. What is animation? Animation involves a series of still image usually painted or sketched displayed in rapid sequence. The action is so quick that it appears to show some movement. Actually what we are doing, we are just giving a movement to the stationary object. When your image is still, if still is there, the image become painted one, the image becomes stretched one, and it follows a certain sequence, and that sequence is so quick that it appears to show some movement. Animation flash is created by changing the content of the successive frame. How we to achieve this task? The animation the flash is created by changing the content of the successive frame. We can make an object move across the stage, increase or decrease its size, fade in or out, change color or shape it using the animation. We can make an object move across the stage, increase or decrease size, fade in, fade out, change color or shape using animation. Frame by frame animation. In frame by frame animation, we create an image in every frame. Twinned animation. In the twinned animation, we create the starting and the ending frame to animate the object. Flats itself create the motion effect. Now in this object twinned animation, starting and ending keyframes is applied by us, and flash automatically create the motion between these two frames. Now in this way it is about the twinned animation. Thanks a lot for this video.